Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to change App Store payment method. So it all starts with the settings on your iPhone or your iCloud account or Apple ID account, right? Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead to the settings, and basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on my name at the top, and in the top you're going to see the payment and shipping, and that payment method will be used on App Store, iTunes, or whatever app that you are using that's linked to Apple. So if you get me, you can just go ahead right here in the payment and shipping. Basically, you're gonna enter your payment method. You're gonna enter your your address and everything, and basically, and afterwards, after you add the payment method, they will be applied to your App Store or any other app related to Apple, right? So if you want to change the payment method, click on remove the remove the payment method, and basically you can just go ahead right here and remove, right? And you can just go ahead and start, and as you can see right here, because this is the only credit card, that's why I need to keep it, right? And basically after you've deleted the payment method, you're gonna be able to actually have an option that allows you to change the payment method or add payment method in that regard. You're gonna see the settings just like that, right? So you can add the payment method, or you can just go ahead and click right here the payment method that you're currently using and click remove the payment method and confirm that you want to delete the payment method, and then add your own payment method from here. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on social media. Thank you for watching.